This is likely the last time you're going to see this view. Looks like they're getting some new Vexus in at Intune today. As most of you know, I've been looking to try to sell the Caymas this winter, this spring. Didn't really come together. Wasn't really planning on doing anything until this late this fall and getting after it again. And then Brian at Intune kind of orchestrated something to kind of come together here. So pretty thankful. A lot of balls in motion to make this come together. But hopefully we'll be showing you the new rig soon. Here up at Intune Marine, and this all happened pretty sudden, but working with Brian and another buyer, potentially have somebody trading in this boat to Intune, me trading in this boat back to Intune, and me trading up to something new in stock. I don't know, we'll hopefully find out soon, but definitely one of these boats that's in stock here will be hopefully the new ride of HellaBass for fishing tournaments and bass fishing. And go ahead and let your comments go early if you have any ideas on what that might look like. It's kind of emotional, like a little bit of excitement, a little bit of sadness, a little bit of separation, thinking about leaving here without the Slayman on the potentially newer, bigger, better, I don't know, definitely different. We're leaving today without a boat. Got a couple things to figure out, a couple things to pull together. Hopefully we'll be back very, very soon. Boat in hand, leaving the next time we leave Intune. So 1 week break here. It was nothing to do with Intune. It was more about like having to get my boat traded in super fast so the new owner could get it for a tournament they had. Hope Kyle really enjoys catching bass out of the Slaymas as much as I did. Yeah, so fast forward 1 week without a boat, kind of got some stuff in order, and we're headed back to the dealership. Today is the day. We are driving out to Intune. This is off day for Classic Bass Champions Tour. So we're kind of out in the neck of the woods. Just got to go in and wrap up a little paperwork, and we'll be bringing home our brand new bass boat from Intune. So you're about to see the new ride, the what's next after the Caymas Slaymas. So just a few minutes, we're gonna roll up, get things taken care of, and you'll find out which one of the great boats at Intune we're taking home today. It's pulled in Intune. It's exciting times. There it is, the new Phoenix ZXL 721 with a Yamaha show. Kind of a blank canvas right now. Had my Ultrex put on it. There's no poles, there's no electronics. That's all going to be coming soon, rigging up. More to come on that. But let me show you a quick breakdown of what this thing looks like on the inside. And again, I want to shout out Into Marine because they really made this thing happen. Like, the whole deal orchestrated. Shout out to Brian, the buyer, having an in-stock boat, making the timing all work, making sure I didn't miss any tournaments. It was really an awesome experience. If you're in the market and you're anywhere within 3 hours of Richmond, Minnesota, maybe even further, and you're in the market for a boat anytime soon, do yourself a favor and at least give Brian and Intune a shot. And let's like hear them out, what they got for Intune, for Phoenix, Vexus, pleasure boats, pontoons, walleye boats, things like that, because it's going to be hard to beat. So this is the new 721 ZXL, 20-foot 11, so I think like 7 or so inches longer than the Caymas CX20. Redesigned with a little bit wider front deck. They kind of redid the bow to be more friendly for more electronics tune-ups, and went to the big single compartment. Some of the big changes between the old 721, but a very proven hull. Excited to whip around and fish out of this. As you can see, we got it back in the garage, working on it, trying to put all the stuff on it. So subscribe if you want to see what it looks like when it's all done and all the stuff's added. But in the meantime, I gotta get back to work. If you want to see how my last boat was loaded out, make sure you check out this video on the screen right here next.